Inhlikani, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all belongs to you. Now, this is that show that you know what it is, what time it is. Season 1, you know them better. Well, you know what we do here. You guys give us the questions, we pile up the questions, and I take these questions that you gave me, I give them to our stars. The stars that Gyan Land of Blood. Now, if you have not yet subscribed, this is your first time to this channel, please just click that subscribe. Like our videos, comment as much as you want so we can go forward as we bring you what? The stars of Gyan Land of Blood. Today, like I promised you, I've got Mandy, that lady who doesn't have she doesn't have stand plate. Like everyone who says something, she goes. If that side, she goes. It's like, where me guy? Like, where do you stand?
As long as you walk on a repeat a traveling, Mutra, Rega, Bodelo, Galiti, Arrega, the case. So, yeah, Gishapo, and Elori, Channel Mosa, Udanyana, Rega, Bodelo, Galiti, Mabedi. I na profit rabo. Mara, you serve Mara Dali Chinese, Java Kenya, go Tom Pakachava, Baberi Chinese, Java, got traveling in Yamandi. Oh, what is all case just our genetic dogajo?
Or Merwa, what home bagin you? What home man?
Mara, Asidwelum or Lelo Vanol Tompo, but Tompa, Kichavaka, one about Zenali Chinese, Jela Jam Mushuga, got traveling in Leodusisa. I mean, get out and lega court. How come by a little China got caught?
Mara, bees. Now, let's go into our questions, guys. That was me just fooling around. Anyway, good night. Kanisa says, hi sis Candy, your character is amazing on Land of Blood. I just have 3 questions for you.
Okay.
Are you married and do you have any kids?
Oh my God.
That's the first one.
Yeah, Kanisa, I wear no money. No, I'm not married. I'm a strong single parent. And Ninabana Bambiri, yes, and Nasutukulana Sumbiri. Yes! Nukokwan mean. Nukokwan or VIP. Yeah. You know, yeah, I'm a single parent, very strong woman.
True.
Yeah, and I think Naloko Kuruku Nibweni Siwai, my first son, and in 2011, Papa was Tangilishan Balablaka so. Where I see her through car accident, so that's why I'm not careful all the time. Whatever I'm going and someone to protect my son. You know, it's like I feel like you know, especially when I'm on the road.
For sure.
Yeah. So yeah, and my last born Ukona Costa.
Costa, yes.
Yes, I thank you. Vomera. Bataganele Costa today. Yeah, it's quite tall. Yeah, and yeah, it's
Another question. Your song is so fluent.
Wow.
Where did you learn it since you are paid? Okay, now.
I'm not a paid.
Yes, I was coming there.
Oh, okay.
I was coming there.
All right. Okay.
Let's give them. Can we at least give South Africa officially? Because these 2 things are different.
Yeah.
Sipedi, Slobedi.
Exactly.
Please give us.
Kanyisa wena ulabango pukuteba yo, but here look, we are here, he's here, you know. Koribam TV sakori ibomani soka queen, and thanks for that question. Anum paid kobantsena kuri ashikolweni ni donde shpedi because of the apartheid time, you know. We used to live my Tibam I mean Tikule Roma Karona before. Gazankulu, when I'm like a Gazankulu, but the truth of the matter is that Gennamulovedu from Mohasidi village under the leadership of the Rain Queen Mujaji. You know. So that's why they were like a royal family, you know.
So it's for me. When I saw this question,
yeah,
I nearly changed. Let me leave it so you can answer it properly because there is a difference between the 2.
Yeah,
there is a misconception that it's the same thing. And lastly, when did you find out that acting is your thing? And thank you.
Oh,
you don't know.
I believe me. Believe it or not, Nagiben Kaza Ziburgia kono actor. Never. Even a single day. I never even like ever maybe dream kurin lava ku actor. You know, at the beginning, you know what, and now I'm an actress, ka profile, ka biography, I mean. But to be honest with you, that it was a game. Because when I look at now, we are like an actor. It was just special. I mean, I was a guest to those shows later. Yeah.
But I know.
No, yes, I can call myself for an actress.
Dialogue
gig. Yeah, what's that mean? Yo. Because that time the shows that I played on, I was just a guest, you know. Gifite ke perform go shayaga, givale sininyana ye one, and then I thought, oh, I made it, mama, I made it. Kasi hey, I saw no. Up until again it takuma ingwane ba rema BEE. Yeah, you're not at least.
Go Mnet.
Yeah, ile ya raloga Mnet. Moleki. And I was playing as a mayor. But that's why I'm twisted around mayor. Yeah, I was playing as a mayor there, Esther Maluleke, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, because you
and dressing smart like a mayor maranakisha taka chaini yo chaini. Yeah, but elori ke be fighter yona bargini diloje jaba utswano lilo na jaji jabu tender je ke fighter jona, you know. I enjoyed that a character ya Kendi. That's when I can say okay, yeah, kina actress.
Yeah.
Because banchenchile kile, you know, must stay vamos, you know. So and look at the weave, but weaves are not my thing. But because of the character, I needed to be a friend with the character.
Of course.
Yes, yeah. That's when like Vele say.
So, but there was a difference.
It was a 13 episode. Okuri short film.
Oh, short film.
Yeah, but I enjoyed every minute.
After Mugiani was different story.
It was a different story completely because you had to know like better about your character that you are playing. When you are done with your own character, but you have to know kuribu meyara I character yanjani mabalabulelo ma etelo, you know. And another thing that I want to say now, while we are still on that question, because I appreciate it a lot, and to the cast, Leibanga cast, I think they're very, very brilliant, you know, by choosing those characters. I've had to learn quick, and thanks God, Batlangani say, Mina, Mandi, hashtag, Mandaina, Bartaganchali, guys that have been got this business for a long time.
Because one thing I loved about our environment, is fact, I wanna jealous. Like we work to we help each other to do things.
104 episodes without argument kuna with divas. Ambe mina ndiri kuna sikhumbuzo mbata wa Capricorn wakutara Capricorn FM ne calls me kuri wena original diva. If muthu outsave
sikhumbuzo no. Not her.
No, you know, so Marai was just playing. Anyway, look, itra nabo like because I always call him Mera because for money. Bundebu, I mean the legendaries, you know, and Abu Bramaiki Chomiamina, my friend. I 50 rand aslamaka. So and I've learned so much.
True.
And
I can attest to that. Sorry,
wow. Yeah.
Because I remember I told you this actually. I said to you,
yeah.
Could you know what? Yes, you might not have done much acting. You might not have done a lot of. One thing I love about you, you've got that thing, which is an impulse. You react to impulses. You don't. I told you. Remember that scene when
I remember, I remember very well. Yeah.
Johnny Atamaya Ubuladi and Aboa. That day when I saw that scene, like, wow, this woman, an impulse.
Wow.
Yes,
and thank you. Yeah, but you know what? It's just you don't know, Kuri. When I'm like loko ifeisane, when you come to tavern, coming to buy, like when you walk, you give me life. When you walk straight to when you come straight to the counter, when you will change like from for money that I know, the brother of mine that I know,
it helps you to also learn.
Yes, and then immediately I will jump over never. Like look at me.
You see what I'm saying? Hence I'm saying to you. This is exactly what I picked up with you. That when I saw that you have an impulse, you see this is coming. I'm gonna match up to it. That's what actors do.
You know, yes.
That's why your scenes. I love your scenes. You don't understand how much I love your scenes because
you don't know how much I love you. You're trying every day, guys.
but they are natural.
They are.
What inspired her to be an actor? And lastly, when did she start acting? Of course, you didn't mention the bit matter. What inspired you?
Like professionally, I started this year because. The script where you need to know the characters that you will be working with and where you need to know and understand yourself or a character Kendi Ramutwela go gating and then Eritzenaga Mandi's Tavern. Now she's a businesswoman and she's that kind of businesswoman. Just think about it, Logoko. Why because I'm at the China, Lily Sutu Katavenin. But he's my client, you know. At the very same time, looking at the concern, Imalanga touched the Rocolia Kensani. Rocolia is a killing and
it's beautiful, Rock.
Maramandi. She's like, oh, hi, guy now, and Nana. Rogo like a sunny baby, we feel about trying to give a Kenyan style. No. Anna would cheer about the woods. It's just Jerry. No, what's trying to like
oh,
Sunny.
Not bad.
Yeah, not all. Yes, I'm a little Mutomada style Kensani. Mandiba. Jajila maybe get berry and bear pana. You, there's this set of mine. Yeah, Diane. I that top way be jealous down. The blue one with the stripes.
You remind me of something. So now, this is background story. So one day we're discussing, I think we're having a workshop with House Florence myself.
Yes. Oh yes.
And then she mentioned, no. If you're an actor and you're given certain roles, for example, if you have to kiss, you have to kiss. Yay!
And I said no. Johnny, get my basso be some better than Romano Gansora Johnny. Wait. Johnny, Giriba Mogal Bayager. Behind the scene. Giriba Mogal by Elegala don't come and don't pama. And then you know what, like that's a happy family that I like.
I love you guys. I love you guys. Okay, now.
Yeah, so Imandi, I won't come. No kiss.
Yeah, that's Tian Agu. By the way, I like her character Yamandi. So anyway,
thank you.
My table. So I want to know that do you still pay attention to your music or you only focus on acting?
I am a businesswoman beside Gianni. I have my own recording label called Musekedi Entertainment that is taking care of Candy as a musician. And I've got a team, people that I'm working with. I've got PR manager, Tembisa on record. They're the one who's handling the radio interviews, the TV, newspaper, everything regarding PR. And then I've got my personal PA, Amukelani. Laba ba make a shokuri. All my bookings
are
in order. And I will know already when I seated here. This interview because the day really go Metro FM it was hectic.
No, of course, yes.
Yeah, and we're going live. We go Metro FM, so when you have the like team around you, things they were easy. Yes, music is my first love.
Of course.
And then I told my line producer, Miss Kanye, and then she was like, "Don't ask me that question because when I know you will say."
What question was it?
Like I was supposed to go to Cape Town.
Oh,
sorry, in music. Sorry, guys. Hey, but I'm cool now. Yeah, and then I was about to go to Cape Town, and then so because when I signed Go Guyana Land of Blood,
you know supposed to be done.
We everything we agreed, and then when you go from over the weekend. I'm going for music. Monday to Friday, I'm all yours. The interview because I love now I'm enjoying acting.
Listen.
That time I wanted to run away. I wanted to leave everything.
Remember, there was a time that you were not complaining, but you were like, I remember you were struggling a bit with trying to balance the whole acting thing.
Hey!
Because
time it, ay.
Like, see, our timing, I see, with acting, time is different.
Time is different completely from... If they said 9 o'clock, on set like like we were not on leave. Right now, maybe better go because we look quick. Can you? 5 a.m.
5 a.m. to 6 at night.
To 6, yes, and then you know. But thanks God, I've like for me in Johnson go.
I'm glad you're finally enjoying because look, you do not understand how.
You remember
how I loved your
Oh, thank you.
Seriously, you see, one thing about an actor, because people have about actor,
to deliver dololo.
Yeah. When you've got one thing, as much as you had struggles with the whole structure of which
I didn't understand by that time. That's why I was coming straight to you and Charles and Mike Baloyi, and then I'll come to you. And like I have to read each and every.
Yes, because I remember
you remember
you would only take out your lines only.
Hey, I was taking my because I didn't know that I can just have a freedom, but I must stick to
what's here.
What's here because there's someone who produced those lines,
because
and then I need to.
Those lines
is guiding you.
They're gonna impact someone later in the story.
That's why if you can check, woman, 1 week, 2 weeks ago, there's a lot of people on Twitter said. Hey,
she's reading, guys.
I'm reading each and every.
Reads.
Yes, I think I'm a high school dropout.
You also why they think you're not reading? It's because of what I'm saying. I loved when I saw you.
Yes.
Your impulse.
Yeah,
when a person acts kind of impulse, it looks so natural.
Natural, yes. And I'm enjoying.
You think, this person is actually not reading. Can you read the script?
Hey.
You've got impulse. You've got good impulse.
Thank you so much. I read the script like Lokonoto Sukala and Takuka the script. Actually, I was supposed to come with them. So that what I want to file,
it's a file.
Script. I read each and every line.
Episodes.
And then after 104. And after reading, guys, because now I know Mandaina, craziness, Bayena, and thank you so much, Gian, Land of Blood, Chesa Pictures for allowing me. With this look, for allowing.
When I came here, I'm like,
yes, Mandaina. So I'm enjoying.
Okay, but man, you've answered this question, but I'm going to ask it again.
No, you're welcome.
What do you prefer mostly between music and acting?
Obviously, I love both of them. Whatever. Maroloko munon kakaneja.
I haven't heard that word in a long time.
Mutra agan kakaneja ne. Ki khwile ka borogo. Anor. Kendi million ngai. Or maybe anor 0, maybe 1 rand giye. Music. Or maybe dogari ke draw music and acting. And Nigeria because I'm an actor. Like now I believe that I'm a mutual actor. He's a musician. Seriously, learn. Musagiola wa belartana kamina dali akrabela ba
now ngwego bela.
Mara. Shile I will say music because I've been in the music business for 25 years.
I'll come to that. Wait.
Right.
Come by the mortgage.
Oh, okay. Right.
Here's what people don't know. Rama once met.
Please don't edit this. That thing, like
Remember we once met to community hall. I was MC. I was
MC
a gig and you were singing.
On that show, yes,
show.
yeah.
Anyway,
so you see,
and she was there. My sister was there.
She was there. Oh my God!
With how you were singing, she loved.
You are my number one. Please come here. Come here, guys. My biggest fan.
And she cried. She cried.
Yeah.
How old were you?
My number one fan.
How old were you?
Sure. But it's
long time ago. And she cried.
Look at this glass.
Actually, by the way, we are shooting at their house, by the way.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Anyway, Ukwin was saying, no, okay, Kunla Fulani division. Fulani division, Urim. Mandi.
Yes.
I've read about your, now we're going to serious stuff now. I've read about your struggles and losses. I'd love to first say it is God who puts you in these places and situations. Not to punish you, but to build and show you that you are a better person and strong and good, excellent example to the community. Here's my question. What can you say to females specifically, who have dropped out of school, having experienced the world, but without completing education? Imagine being without music. Imagine being in a music career without education. To close these gaps, what do you say to such people? I hope your advice will motivate women. So basically, she or he's saying, Guri, with your struggles, not finishing school, in the music career, and the struggles that you've gone through, especially with your son, like you, this time of the year, I know it's sort of.
This month, like August, exactly, especially because we are still in August.
So, with your struggles, schools, and music career and everything, can you say something about that?
To women. Yeah, to all women. Yeah, you know what? Hey, that's a toughest questions. You know, when you believe in yourself and put God first in everything you do, believe me, everything is smooth. And I believe a lot in myself. I realized that I made a biggest mistake when I dropped out Ashkolweni. Nitekuma niri pregnant twice with 2 different fathers. I was still young because I had 2 kids at the age of 20. That's why now people, they will be worried sometimes Mandi at least because I don't have a kids. You know, Marababulatani because they thought I'm young.
My sister was saying that, but she looks young.
49.
When we said Constance and such, no, but she looks young.
No, it's but like I'm 49. I made my own mistakes that I've learned from them, and then only to find out that I was also a breadwinner. I'm a last born of 2. I had to start working at a young age, like early age, like 23 years.
Wow.
I was joining the late Peter Tinnett. My son, he was 3 years old, Costa.
Wow.
When I started working, you know, and from that moment I know I
know something like
180 yes, yes. And then there was something about this woman. She was like clever enough. Maybe I go, she was very smart. Because from you are a high school dropout, you've got 2 kids with the different fathers. Then now you have to provide for the family. Because my mom, she was selling bananas, fruits, the cabbage, the tamati, mabele, you know, and so that we can eat. Sorry. So I had to go and then and then thanks God, because I think Kendi and I una bangranza natural, like bangranza. I've learned that bangranza. So immediately look on Terralasa Pico Bawe choose in favor of I think he was a supervisor of everything, or not even CEO, you know. Yeah, and Kurineva secretary. By look on end that cut things in short. Immediately by the Kurineva secretary methodololo. Marantlanganisa, you know, because I'm smart here. Then I'll come to you. When like my friend, when I went to school, thank you, I'll sing for you. Then when someone end mina in Asia, but you know, sometimes I talk 17 9 times 13. Why you do so? the whole night you know. So and then I will go to a friend of mine and then even kombela kuri anfuna and then I will sing for the person.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I will like kukesa and then I will just maybe buy one soap and then to the person say thank you and then really all and right like my kids they might suffer maybe now but from day one they never had that.
Basically the message you just push and push and push. Don't be scared to ask for help if you're
going through hard time. Talk to your people that you trust, and besides, now you must a hard worker because it's not gonna help. You know, you have that everything. God give us you know.
Wow.
Yeah, ungaba utsamilia kaya mara kuma swaku good when it comes to cleaning the house. Then you can, you know what?
Excellent.
You see, when we are talking about this thing, clean. I was shocked day before yesterday, and I even told in my manager, like my bookings manager, Amukelani. When I called her, I was in Limpopo. I was working in Limpopo, and then now we find a communicator, and then I was talking to her about it this morning. You know what? Uni kabenzeni, uni tuse kubaba, but at the very same time, never proud you were, because you never said you just graduated, like from varsity or college. You told me kuri. Loko arna meeting wa unwanwa ina finalize some business so I can send her. She's a good girl, like interwa na whatever. Then the girl told me kuri niko overcome kahle because bataka wena ban lava naloko ruku ina ifanele yakabona but bahloniphe kuri you are not driving mina ankona. Then they will come to you. Gonna meet somewhere in Bramfontein. This is what's gonna happen. No matter what, make sure that you buy coffee for them or water for them, still water, not from the tap,
for sure.
for these business guys, you know. Then you know, the girl, she had a 40 rand in her pocket, and then she said, and this is Mama, she calls me Mama Kendi, Mama Kendi, you know. And then she will say to me, ni abamali loko mini phone la mingani kumi rini eni tsutsumela kuna manu ngwenyana ni endla laundry ya yena every time so that nitakota kumela vana emali ya xinkwa, you know. So loko aku endla laundry aku ntateka mali liya loko anoholela. Think about it, think about that.
That's,
you know,
that's dedication.
That is like yabonakala kuri ngwana loyi anga utirisa la, you know. And then that's when I said like under surprise, but I had to make something plan kuri angaika manduyani and then ukuma shako kuna something lay and like so we did that and everything meeting wa ina 100% business was approved.
She's like to have you. So ladies,
yeah.
I hope you
please go to her.
She and I will talk.
Yeah, yes.
So family. Kulufela kuri absheni afternoon repair le so sitekeni nkwaso somewhere, of course in the woods of Fumani wadelela. So Armanken, how was the audition for Guyana of Blood? And how, okay, firstly, how was the audition? I was there, I auditioned.
Yes!
How was the audition?
You know what, I went for an audition because of my fans.
Oh.
The respect I have for my loyal fans.
Because I remember you were a bit reluctant even then.
Yeah. Hey, during the audition, is that my team Candy, my dancers for 9 years, dancers, ne? They always look at remove something. There's no way me over around me unga never.
Oh.
They will laugh and they said, "When women of Wambe ufune we kuma agency ufune uzoba uwenzi comedy." They were thinking of comedy, but look at Guyana Kuripela is like a comedy
in a way, yes.
In a way, yeah. And then bakuni ni enda the audition nta inana ntakota ku, you know. And then I was like,
do you know, Mina, when I knew when I saw you, I'm like, no, he's our Mandy.
Yeah?
I promise you. Of course, guys, I couldn't tell.
That
day,
you man, and a lot of people about this. You see, the guys decide
No, seriously, because I'm like, this one. So in my heart, I was praying for it. ACBC mustn't play with any other thing. And then one thing that I liked also, remember during the reading.